From humble beginnings in a Minnesota garage to a global leader in control solutions, this is the story of SJE, 50 years of passion, innovation, and purpose. In 1975, Steve Johnston launched the company with a vision for smarter water management. The first product, the Tank Alert Alarm System, set the foundation for decades of growth, problem solving, and trusted performance.
SJE started in 1975 as a small garage-based business in Minnesota, focused on float switches for water and wastewater systems. Today, we are one of the largest water and wastewater integrators in the US, operating 15 facilities, 12 across the US, 1 in Mexico, and 1 in China. We serve customers on our 9 recognized brand and offer full range of engineered control solutions, making SJE and our family of brands a trusted leader in the industry.
In the mid-70s, for environmental reasons, there was a move to install sewage holding tanks, and these sewage holding tanks were sealed. At that time, the homeowners really didn't have a convenient method of knowing what the level was in the tank. And the Tank Alert was a device that satisfied that need.
In the years that followed, SJE expanded rapidly. New technologies, new facilities, and most importantly, new people. Each one bringing expertise, drive, and a shared belief in doing things the right way. At the heart of SJE's story is our people, engineers, operators, technicians, partners, people who care about quality, people who innovate. For half a century, we've built more than control solutions. We've built relationships with customers, with communities, with each other. And we've built a culture that puts ownership and purpose at the center.
With a strong reputation, broad reach, and meaningful mission, employees can be proud to say that they're part of a company helping shape the future of our control solution industry and key infrastructure in our communities. SJE plays a critical role in managing one of Earth's most vital resources, water. Our system helps ensure clean water access, safe water wastewater treatment, and infrastructure resilience.
Water flows, lights stay on, industries run smoothly. Behind it all, control systems work quietly, ensuring homes, businesses, and communities operate without disruption. Most people never think about these systems until something goes wrong. That's why we exist. At SJE, we don't just provide control solutions. We engineer unwavering reliability. We move with agility, adapting to an ever-changing world where technology advances and challenges arise. We have the drive to keep improving, knowing that every system we build makes life easier, safer, and more efficient. But we don't do it alone. Unity is our foundation. We collaborate and grow together. We support each other because progress happens when we work as one. We approach every project with humility, knowing that innovation is about listening, learning, solving, and never settling for good enough. And we take full ownership because when people depend on our solutions, failure isn't an option.
I'm SJE proud because we make great products that go into our industry that really impact the lives of others through water and wastewater.
It feels good to be working towards something like water needs to flow, toilets need to flush. It feels rewarding to play a part in keeping communities healthy and functioning. It's just neat to see everybody kind of come together in those moments.
The favorite part of my job is making a difference. Coming in every day, looking at the people, the process, the tools, looking for ways to streamline or automate. Our customers have needs. We need to meet them at that need or be ahead of them. We have a job of making sure we stay on task to deliver outputs that make a difference. I see huge opportunities here at SJE.
There is always a need for us to provide better environmental solutions for the world, for our communities. I believe that we're in a position today where we can do that.
We just have a bunch of great people to work with that really step up to the plate. It's just nice to work with people who have the same mentality. We're gonna get it done, we're gonna do a good job, and we're gonna do it in a timely fashion and put our best foot forward every day.
Our products are engineered for reliability to the point where you may forget they are a vital part of your daily life until they are called upon in critical moments. United by shared values, we enhance lives and make a positive impact on communities around the world by providing exceptional control solutions.
We are one of the largest wastewater integrators in the U.S. We provide complex control solutions. We define the future and protect the environment. Together, we improve lives, protect communities, and drive smarter infrastructure. But what makes us proudest isn't just what we build, it's how we build it. We honor the generations of entrepreneurs, employees, leaders, partners, and customers with a legacy of doing the right thing for 50 years and counting. We've changed a lot over the years. New team members, new brands, new opportunities. But our mission has always been the same, to deliver quality, reliability, and innovation every single time.
Our acquisitions are strategic, not just about size, but about synergy. We look for companies that share our core values and that are committed to innovation, quality, and customer care. As we bring these teams into SJE's family, we honor their strengths, aligning around shared goals.
With the growth and the acquisitions that we've been doing, it grows our reach and it increases our ability to go further with more equipment and newer equipment. So it's really promising.
Those opportunities and getting to be a part of a growing company and seeing new acquisitions, finding best practices and figuring out a way to do things better across all organizations is what I want to be a part of.
One of the things we were really looking for in a partner was common values and a common culture. SJE really fit the bill for that.
We are allowed to be ourselves here. We are allowed to let our personality shine not only through our work, but through being able to be out there on the floor and do your job and still have a laugh and have fun with our coworkers.
Some of the people that have become my best friends for life I met working here. They're also the people that when you get sick, they're the first ones to call you and say, hey, do you need anything? It's just very much an inviting, welcoming place.
I love the employees that I work with. We're very close-knit. We have great communication amongst the team.
I know that anytime that I'm struggling, I have a great team to back me up and help out, and we can collaborate, work together, and make great things happen.
I like the teamwork that we have. I like the way we solve problems together. I like that we all have the same vision in mind. We actually care about our employees here. They actually know you, what's going on in your personal life as well as work life.
I've heard over and over from employees, the best thing about working at SJE is the people. I've seen so many examples of people pulling together either to help train others, work extra to get the job done, or support an employee when they're having a personal issue or volunteer in our community.
The culture at SJE is very much teamwork oriented, more than I've had with other companies I've worked for in the past. I noticed it from day one. There's a lot of long-term employees and then some people like myself that have only been here a few years, but every idea, everybody's accepted, and it's just looking for best practices across the board.
SJE's 50th anniversary is a celebration of 5 decades of dedication to solving water and wastewater challenges. It honors our transformation from a local flow switch company into a national and international leader. More importantly, it reflects the strength of our people, our brands, and our ongoing commitment to innovation, quality, and customer service. It also represents the history and legacy of all companies that have joined SJE along this 50-year journey to make us what we are today. Looking ahead, we see continued growth through innovation, operational excellence, and strategic partnerships. We will keep expanding our capabilities, developing our teams and smart technologies. Our goal is to remain in the industry's most trusted integrator, solving complex challenges for decades to come.
I think what excites me about the future for SJE is there is no end in sight. Our willingness to be able to help our communities, not only here, but our other locations as well. I think SJE has been around for 50 years because of the way that we incorporate our hearts into our jobs. It is not just a 9-to-5 for us.
Growth is not just about dollars and money. Growth is about what you learn from the people you work with. It's about the things that you challenge yourself to be better. What do we need to do to improve ourselves, but what can we do and what can we offer to other people in our company to help them be better?
So 50 years being in any market, I think, is a kind of testament to you. Obviously, you've stood the test of time. You obviously have good relationships with your customers, so I would say 50 years is amazing. Looking to 50 more.
What does Steve Johnson say today? I don't know. We should ask him.
When I retired in 1994, my biggest hope was that SJE would continue to uphold its reputation for integrity, quality, and good service, and the united efforts of all the SJE team members over the years has elevated SJE to be recognized and trusted as a worldwide industry leader. Continuing that SJE tradition of integrity in all we do fills me with gratitude for all of the employees, and I want to sincerely say thank you.
50 years in, we're proud of where we've been and even more excited about where we're going. We are proud to be SJE, and we're just getting started.